So I'm going to do this by speaking very, very slightly into the microphone. So what you're experiencing now is an AMSR RLBST. So we're inserting S into an empty tree like this. And now we're adding a new vertex E below S. No invariants are being violated by this. Cool. Adding A violates one of our invariants. So we rotate ourselves out of that problem. Now we do a color flip. Awesome. So let's insert R. R goes down here. It gets a new red link. Everything is fine. The black balance is still established. Everything is at distance 1 to the root black distance 1. Insert C. It goes down here. Red leaning. Not good. Rotate. Everything is peachy again. Let's insert H. H goes down here. 2 red links. No good. S is a problem. It rotates itself out of that. Color flip. 1 level up. Red leaning red link. Right leaning red link. We can't have that. E has a problem. It rotates R up. Everything is fine. Let's insert X. X goes down here. We rotate a bit. Note that the black distance is still 1 for every single null link, even though A is very far away from R. Even the 2 null links below A have distance exactly 1 to R, just as X does. Insert M. We do some rotation.
Okay, back to normal life. I'm sure we all need a shower after this. And don't forget to hit that like button.